Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join new Chubby Chipmunk event in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that the new Chubby Chipmunk update has been dropped, and then here you can join the event. First of all, you can claim free chipmunk here, and then you can submit fruits to the nut acorns, and then you will trigger the Nutty beaver after you reach this points. So you just need to submit all your fruits, any fruits, to the NPC, and it will give you points. And of course, the points will depend on the plant rarity. Okay, and then you can reach the points, and after that, the Nutty beaver will appear in the garden. Okay, and this is how the Nutty Fever looks like in Grow Garden. And then the chipmunk has gone nutty, and it will perform its ability every 30 seconds. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the ability of the Chubby Chipmunk. So basically, it can give you rewards after you collect the acorn. After the chipmunk eat fruits in your garden, the acorn will appear like this, and you can collect the acorn to get reward. And chipmunk will eat your fruits every 30 seconds when the Nutty Fever come to your garden. So the Nutty Fever can improve the ability of this Chubby Chipmunk pet. Okay, this is the ability, and you just need to collect the acorn to get rewards. And yeah, that's so cool. Okay, I got godly sprinkler, and even we can get the grandmaster sprinkler. And then guys, you can grow your chipmunk to claim reward here. I'm going to open the reward. Okay, after you reach 1.25 kilogram, you will get Nutty chest. But this is the current weight of my chipmunk, so I still need to grow it to claim the reward.